We're at the 30th Annual Celebrate Fairfax Festival at Fairfax County Government Center in Fairfax, Virginia. This event actually began as the county fair. It's changed names a few times, but has remained the same in a lot of our programming. And of course, there have been additions such as the carnival and our main stage headliners. We have more than 30 food vendors, and of course we have 40+ carnival rides, one of the largest carnivals in Northern Virginia. This year we have everything from deep fried butter to chicken legs, turkey legs. We have carnival rides for all ages, but of course we have our Kidway Midway, which features our rides for the smallest of our guests. This year we have a lot of new programs. We have Greenology, which is an area educating our attendees about the benefits of green science and green living. Extreme Zone, which features some NASCAR things and also our new go-karts. Celebrate Fairfax is a great event for families and children especially. We have things for everyone of all ages, but of course a lot of our programming is geared towards families with younger children.